Welcome to this Sage 50 US Edition Anytime Learning topic. Each year around mid-December, Sage 50 releases a Payroll Solutions update for the upcoming payroll year. In addition to providing new federal, state, and some local tax formulas, the new payroll year, the year-end and Payroll Solutions update may include late changes to current year tax formulas and processing changes for year-end tax reporting. Install the January update before processing any tax forms for year-end. To verify which Payroll Solutions update you have installed, select Help from the main menu bar, and then About Sage 50 Accounting. On the About Sage 50 Accounting window, check the Installed Tax Service. The value in the Installed Tax Service field is formatted with the first 4 characters for the year, followed by 2 characters for the month and 2 for the day. The year-end tax update will display the 4 characters of the upcoming year, plus 01 for January and 01 for the day. To download the latest tax service update, click Services from the main menu bar, and then select Check for Updates. Click Check Now. When the online update window displays, if the January Payroll Solutions update is available, leave it selected and click Download. Click OK when the download completes and exit the program. Click Yes on the prompt to begin the installation. If prompted, click Yes to allow the app to make changes. The Payroll Solutions Update Wizard will guide you through installing the update. Click Next on the welcome screen. Agree to the terms to continue and click Next. Read information about this update and click Next. Confirm the program file's location and click Next. Confirm the company data file's location and click Install. On the Installation Complete page, check the box and click Finish to view the release notes in a new window. Reopen the program and confirm that the update installed successfully. Click Help and then About Sage 50 Accounting. On the About Sage 50 Accounting window, confirm that the installed tax service date has been updated to January of the upcoming year or later. Thank you for taking this Anytime Learning lesson. For information on additional training options, please visit us at sage.com.